gets an early chink in his armor. Na nakikita natin, Limpot is open and he gets the first 2 points of Barangay Ginebra.
Again, the pass coming.
Nung hiling, miski na Santa Lucia to trade. Ayaw nilang ibigay sa Raimundo. What a move from the main man. The big deal.
Ito sinasabi mga partner, pwede natin sabihin itong Araneta Coliseum is like an NBA arena.
Oh yes.
State of the art ito partner, and what a find, and all the front office personnel of Batang Red Bull.
Less than a minute remaining. Limpot, kinarga ang bola. Oh, what a move. Bit niya.
Giao must undergo.
5 seconds sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. Libre si Limpot. Yes! He can shoot it from the outside. And the main man now, nanganganib na si Alex Lizano, but he still remains in the game. Limpot gets away again, and Jun Limpot just making mincemeat out of the defense. Again, at the end of the game, we'll name a Super Fulcasil Tapal King, as well as our best player. Samantala, Jun Limpot showing.
Kick ni Wilmer Wrong, partner.
Oh, a bad pass by Valenzuela. As we saw the statistics
Hey,
by
tama naman!
Tight, and again,
What a move! Pansa.
maraming peso sesyon, ha? Samantala ito, maraming puntos na. Si Jun Limpot and Meneses egging on the Barangay. So 3-on-1, nilaglag kay Limpot. He goes the reverse. Yes, sir.